Hi, my dear students. Welcome to the online classes here. Today, the new session of web technology of the topic is here hyperlink. Let us see here what is mean by hyperlink means here. Suppose when you see here, this is a cursor, right? This is a cursor. When we are going to move this cursor, see the desktop here. When you are moving the cursor, automatically the cursor is changed to hand cursor. The cursor is going to be changed to hand cursor. That is means here we have a link. Here we have a link. It going to be open the another web page. It going to open the another web page. I am repeating once again here. See here. This is a cursor. This cursor, when you are moving this cursor to this green button, this have it going to be changed to the cursor to hand button. Cursor to hand button. That is the meaning of here. It is used to create, we have another link when you are going to be open the page. That means here it has a link. When you click on this link, it going to open the another web page. That means we are linking the page with the help of a text. The previous అనే text తోటి నేను ఒక పేజ్ వెబ్ పేజ్ని లింక్ చేస్తున్నాను. That means here when you are clicking these previous, it going to be open the another web page. That means we are linking the page. We are linking the page. That is the use of here hyperlink. The hyperlink is a link which is used to link the another web page. Link, it is used to link the other way from your page to page. We are going to create a link between the page to page. That we are going to be called hyper. HTML links are the same, hyperlink both are also the same, but if you wanted to call it as HTML links, as you wish. Hyperlink both are the same. HTML links are the hyperlinks. HTML links are the hyperlinks. See here, this is a web page, right? In this web page, it going to be changed to the cursor. Now the cursor is moving here. Here we have changing any moving here. Any changing the hand cursor? It going to be change the hand cursor? No, it does not changing the hand cursor. That is nothing but here. That is nothing but here. Let us see here. It going to be changed to the cursor to hand cursor. Here the cursor to hand cursor. That is nothing but here. It when the cursor is going to be changed to cursor to hand button, then it going to be create. Then it have a hyperlink. Then it has an hyperlink. Then it has an hyperlink. HTML links are the hyperlinks. You can click on the link and jump to the another document. It going to be jump to the another document. When you move the mouse over the link, the mouse arrow will be turned to little hand. The mouse arrow is going to be changed to the little hand. That is the meaning of here. It going to be changed to the little hand. Let us see here. Here the cursor, the mouse arrow. Mouse arrow. This is an arrow. It going to be changed to the little button. It going to be changed to the little button. ఒక్కసారి అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఈ cursor it going to be changed to little button. That means here we have a link. Here we have a link. A link does not have to be a text. A link may be an image or any other HTML link. The link maybe does not be a text. It may be of image. It may be of any other HTML element. Let us see here what the tag we are going to be used for the hyperlink. A tag. What the tag we are going to be used for the hyperlink means here a tag. A tag defines a hyperlink. It has follows the syntax here. A tag hypertext reference, where it going to be link the page, that URL means here address. URL you are going to be write here address, and linking the text you have to write here. Let us see how I am going to be write here. I am writing here example A. Here it is also the I am writing anchor tag. It is going to be create. A means here anchor tag. It going to be create a link. It going to be create a link. hypertext reference, for where we are linking the page, that address. We are going to be write here. I am writing here well.html, or see, let us programs. I am going to be show here programs here. uh, uh, how many programs I am linking this program? Okay, what program I wanted to link? Suppose ABC program. Okay, first program. That means here I am writing here. mm, Let us see here. Here the A tag is there, hypertext reference is there. I am writing here A tag hypertext reference URL. URL means here where it going to be have. That means I am writing abc dot html program I am writing here. Okay. And what click here? click HERE. Click here. Then I am closing the anchor tag. Closing the anchor tag means you have to use here dash. Closing the, sorry, closing the anchor tag. That means here where we have to write here all these things here in the body session. Where we have to write all these things here. Where this I have to write here in the body section. Body I am writing here. Body. How I am writing here body? Starting of the body. Where this body is there in the head section. Okay. And I am closing the, where this, sorry, without head also I can also be write here. I am writing here HTML. Okay. Then next come to the point here. I am closing the body. I am closing the body. Then next I am closing the HTML. Okay. Then I am saving the file. Alt F. Save. I am saving in the Become Final Year Web PRG1. PRG1. PRG1.html I am saving here. Okay, already exist is there. Okay, PRG1 is there. Okay. And let us see here, this is anchor tag. Here the URL means here the address of what you are linking the page. I am linking the ABC HTML. ABC HTML is going to be open. Let us see what those ABC HTML we have. ఈ click here మీద click చేస్తే ఈ ABC HTML I wanted to open it. I wanted to open it. Let us see here. Program 1. Program 1, where it is here. Here the program 1 is there in the first last one. I am clicking the PRG1. PRG1, in the PRG1 we are going to get a here click me. This is a web page. Here we are going to be get a click me. Why means here I have written a hyperlink. Here I have written a hyperlink of click me. Suppose here I am writing one more thing. If you wanted to open the other next page, click here. Okay, let us see here. File, save. Okay, I am clicking here. See, if you wanted to open the next page, click here. That means it's going to be get here. Whenever I am clicking this click here, you are going to be get here abcd. abcd.html లో ఏముందో ఆ వెబ్ పేజ్ మనకి ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ abcd. Light is always clicked here. Let us see here. Click. It's going to change it to red color. That means we have a link. See here, this is a cursor. This cursor is changed to the cursor to hand cursor. See. Here we are changing the cursor to hand cursor. Here we are changing the cursor to hand cursor. No. This is only it going to be changed to the mouse button to the little hand. Mouse button to the little hand. Let us see here, all of you. Mouse button to the little hand. That is the meaning of here. That is the meaning of here web page. That is the meaning of here hyperlink. That is the meaning of, see here what we have here. It's going to be changed to the cursor to hand button. Cursor to hand button. That is the meaning of here hyperlink. That is the meaning of here hyperlink. That is it going to be changed to the next color. See here the cursor is there, mouse is there. The mouse is changed to the hand cursor. The mouse is changed to the hand cursor. That is meaning of here. Here we have a link. Here we have a link. Here we have a link. That is the use of here hyperlink. That is the use of here hyperlink. Let us see here. I am clicking here. What is going to be open here? Another web page is going to be open, abc.html. abc.html. Okay. Previously what we have here? Previously what we have here? prg1.html. prg1.html. Now when you are clicking here, click here, it's going to be open prg1.html. Here it going to be open the another web page. That web page is known as here abc.html. I am going to another page here. When you are clicking it, it change it to the hand button. That means here we have a abc.html లో ఏదైతే ఉందో output that going to be displayed here. Let us see here. I wanted to use here hyperlink reference, but these hyperlinks are two types of hyperlinks we have: internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. Internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. Internal hyperlink means here that web page is going to be created by user, but external hyperlink means here we are linking the web page. We are linking the web page. We are linking the web page. Let us see here another example. We have most important attribute is a. Here we have two types of hyperlinks, internal hyperlink, and let us see what is internal hyperlink we have, and one more we have here, external hyperlink. Internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. I will tell you the what is mean by. In the internal hyperlink is the syntax we are going to be write here. Let us see the syntax means here rule how to write a internal hyperlink. In the internal hyperlink we are going to be write here URL, URL, and next here text to link, text to link, and slash a. This is the internal hyperlink URL. And what is mean by external syntax? Syntax we are going to be write syntax of external hyperlink. Syntax of external hyperlink. The syntax of external hyperlink is same as it is. Same as it is, but only difference is here. Same as it is, but only difference is here. Here also URL, but let us see. I am going to give an example here. Example I am writing here. In this example I am writing here a, okay, hypertext reference is equal to hypertext is equal to abc.html. Okay, I am writing link. Click me. I am writing here slash a. Okay. And the next here, this is the example. Then next here, I am writing the example of here external hyperlink. Both are the same, but let us see a small difference will be there here. I am writing here www dot I am writing here www dot facebook.com. No, here we are writing here www.facebook.com. I am writing here. Click me and I am closing the anchor button. That means here what is the difference between the both here? This abc.html is going to be created by the user already existing file. This abc.html is a already existing file, but with this html we are creating this abc.html, this abc.html page. ఈ web page ని నేను క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాను. This web page is going to be created by some other. We are using it, that's all. The facebook.com is going to be created by me. No, this is already, this web page is already created, but I am opening it. That is the difference between internal, hyperlink and external hyperlink. Internal hyperlink, we have this page we are going to be open. In this internal hyperlink we are linking the, this is internal hyperlink. I will tell you the difference between the internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. In the internal hyperlink, we are linking the page of already created by the user. In the external hyperlink, we are not creating that page already as exist, but it has, if you wanted to open this Facebook, we want internet. But where it has this ABC wanted to open, we should not want the internet connection. It is a local web page. And it is here external page. This is a local web page, but this is the external page. That's why we are going to be called the internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. That is the reference here. Let us see here, we have here, see here, this is external hyperlink that they have created here. A anchor tag, A means here anchor tag, hypertext reference, HEREF means here, HEREF means here hypertext reference. In the hypertext reference, you have here URL. That means here w3school.com. And visit this w3school.com. When you click on to this, it's going to be open this web page. Let us try it here. Okay, this is a, see here, this is a program. Okay, this program I am, suppose I am writing here, this is the program. Okay, this is the html in the body, this is the body, and this is the comment, right? Comment, how we are going to be write here, slash extend exclamatory mark doc type. Okay, html we have here. In the html we have the body section. In the body I used here h1 tag. Okay, in the body I used here h1 tag. HTML link is the heading. Okay, I used here paragraph. P means here paragraph. Without paragraph also I can use. Hypertext reference, I am referring to the web page. What web page I am referring? w3school.com. And visit this w3school. This is a text what we are going to be clicked. This is anchor tag I have closed here. Let us see the output. The HTML page is going to be created like this. When you are, see here, it going to be changed to the button to hand button. This is the program. This is the program and this is the web page. Okay, I'm going to be showed in only one page to understand it. Okay, and when you are clicking this, see here, it's going to be changed to the cursor to hand cursor, cursor to hand cursor. When you are clicking this hand cursor, it going to be open a web page of, it going to be open a web page of W3 school. It going to be open a web page of W3 school is going to be open. It open aయిందా కాదా? When you are going to, suppose I am writing here, uh, click me, I am writing click me, I am writing here, then I am saving this, save. Okay. Mm. Then I am running the option. See here, visit, click me. See here, visit, click me. Previously what we have here, open the W3 school. Now I am clicking here, click me. What is going to be get here? w3school.com web page. w3school.com web page is going to be open. Suppose if I am writing here Facebook, let us see here, I am writing here Facebook. Okay, I am writing here Facebook. Okay, now let us see here. Now the web page output is this W3 school. Now what is the output here? Let us see. I am saving here, save, and go to the run option. See here, visit, click me. Ayyo. See here, when you are clicking the, I change it to Facebook. When you are clicking this visit, click me, it going to be open a, it going to be open, not it going to be some have mistake has done, it going to be open. We are going to be get here www hypertext reference. Okay, I am saving again, save. Okay, let us see here, run, click me. Okay, it's going to be open the another one. Okay, I'm going to be show you in the later view. Let us see here. mm, what will be there? Hyper. Okay, notepad. Here the notepad is there. In the notepad I used here, this is a notepad here. Let us see, I am writing here vijetacollege.com. When you are clicking this, we are going to be get a vijetacollege.com. Let us see here. It is a body, title, hyperlink. The page of web page name is here hyperlink. If you wanted to open the Vijeta website, click me. Okay, that is the output here. I am saving this http dot vijeta college. Let us see, I am saving the file here. File, save. ఎంతగానం చేసింది రాంగ్ అయిపోయిందా?